okay, okay. Yeah.
Hey, and welcome back to my channel, and I'm so excited because today is PRTuesday. And yes, girl, I'm so happy because we got another PR package. So we're gonna get right into it, and I'm just gonna open it. And who is it from? It is from Busties. And Busties is a natural breast lift tape. So this is breast lift tape in a box. It is an American company, and it fights for the cause of the American Breast Cancer Foundation. And that is just like so beautiful that it's actually a woman's product and it supports a cause for women. So I just love that. So on the box it says we have 1 roll of tape, 4 satin nipple covers, 1 reusable silicone nipple lifting covers, and a skin test to see if you're sensitive. So I'm just gonna open the box. Beautiful packaging, pink and black, love it. And on top it says Busties for life. And this is what it looks like inside. It says, it says your tatas called, they need a lift. So this is what it looks like, and wow, nice packaging, love it. Breast lift tape, a lot of it. These are the satin nipple covers, there's 4. And then these are the silicone nipple covers, there's 2. This is, if you have sensitive skin, you should use this test kit, and it's nicely, you know, zip-locked in thick plastic. So, and we got the instructions here, and oh, that's so nice. It's a beautiful satin bag that says Busties on it, and I think that's so cool because you could put the tape, the satin nipple covers, the silicone nipple covers, the test kit. You could just put it all inside and take it with you. Easy for traveling, easy for carrying to the gym, easy for taking to work, because some people go to work and then after work they have cocktail hour. So I think that's great. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on the Busties breast lift tape. I'll be right back, and you can see these tatas definitely need a lift. I wear a size triple D 36. So we're gonna see if we could lift them. Alright, I'm back, and girl, I'm looking at myself in my full mirror, and I am a Busties believer. One move is here without the tape, and this is Busties. Can you see the difference? Can you see the difference? OMG, I love this. And I can move, and this feels secure. This is where the tape is at. It feels so secure. It feels like nothing's gonna pop out. It's like lifted from here, from down here. And girl, like I said, I wear a triple D 36. Yes, triple. Not double, but triple. Leaning towards E, but we in the double D, but sometimes we're E. And girl, look at this. OMG, I'm in love. I am a Busties girl from now on. Cute outfits, cute dresses. I feel like I can go to the club. I feel like I can dance. Nothing's happening, nothing's moving. With this boob, I feel kind of nervous because it doesn't have nothing on it. With this, oh my gosh, it is miraculous. It's like secure up in there. This is where the Busties tape is at. It's right there, and girl, it is secure. So yeah, Busties is everything. I am a believer. I forgot to mention on the back, it actually has a grid, so you can cut and measure in any shape you want to. Also, when you take off the back, the tape is like, so you could like pull it and stick it. It's like super stretchy, and I'm just loving my Busties breast lift tape. After watching this video, girl, what are you waiting for? Go to the link down in the description box and get you some Busties. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.